How to create new order. Open instore.zestmoney.in link. Enter store username and password to log in. Enter product name, price of the product, quantity. Enter customer name as on PAN card, mobile number, and email address. Enter order amount, down payment amount. If processing fee is applicable, the amount will be pre-filled. Screen will display the details of the pricing applicable for the customer. Once complete, click on Submit. At this stage, the application gets created. Customer will receive a link to his registered email ID and SMS on his phone number.